Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to this card making video. So in this video I'm using the regular cardstock and I'm going to use this cute stamps, and I'm going to first stamp this on the paper. I'm using archival ink, and then I'm going to stamp that. Now I'm going to do the other stamp. Then I'm going to use watercolor. Um, it's called Angora, and I'm going to color those two stamps. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you will not miss my videos as I post it. So I'm using two different colors first, and then I'm going to use the other colors along with that. So now I have did the coloring, and then I did fussy cut. Now I'm going to use this base card, and I'm going to first emboss this cardstock, which is about 3.5 by 4 3/4 inch. Then I'm also keeping all these other elements ready for that, and I'm using the black cardstock, which is like 1/4 inch bigger. So I'm going to first place everything, and then I'm going to adhere it on the card. So now I'm going to adhere this card, that is the embossed paper, on the top of the card. So now I'm going to um, put all these elements and place everything on the card and see where I want it. Then I'm going to adhere it one at a time. Then I'm going to add some of these leaves and put all together. Now I'm going to use this double-sided foam tape, and I'm going to use the glue and adhere it. Then I'm using this sentiment, and I'm going to adjust the edges. Then I'm going to put the double-sided foam tape behind that, and I'm going to adhere that as well. Now I'm going to add some of these sequins. These are like a sparkly, like a snowflakes. So I'm adding those and adding some small ones too in this. So this finishes my card. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. Thank you for taking some time and watching my videos. I will see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.